What's up, family? How we doing? What's up? How you doing? Welcome back. Welcome back. That's how we doing today, right? I hope you're enjoying the day. It's a good day for sure. We got some things to talk about. I just wanted to jump in here and make a quick update video, right? There has some things that went on. There was some things that went on this weekend that I really thought was just drama and was just, just noise out there, right? That I didn't really want to pay attention to as far as like AMC and what's going on with the community and that FUD that came out, right? And I just want to remind you that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, right? And anybody on YouTube, right? They're giving information out like on this. Remember that they're not financial advisors either, right? So my point is like to make your own decisions when it comes to this, right? Because now the whole space call on Friday is looking pretty sus to me. And what I mean by that is that, everyone was saying that, oh, there was an influencer saying to sell your shares, AMC shares, right? To sell them on Monday, okay? And then that's kind of interesting because the price yesterday was around $15, and right now, we're up to 1807, and at the peak it was at 1876 is what I'm seeing right here. So yeah, that's kind of sus that somebody is telling you to sell your shares, on a certain day, and then the stock goes up 15% the next day, right? I don't know. So just make sure you're thinking about your own financial situation and make sure that you're, realizing that you are on your own when it comes to this. Yeah, we have the AMC family, but you have to make your own decisions on when to buy, when to sell, things like that, right? Just, tip, just a genuine tip from me to you, because that's what I do, right? I just collect information. I see what's in front of me. I analyze that, and then I decide when I want to buy and when I want to sell, no matter what this YouTuber is saying, or this is going on Twitter, or this is going on Stock Twits or whatever, right? So, yeah, I just wanted to start off with that info. So let's just go see what's going on the charts and things like that. We are entering power hour, so it's we got less than an hour left until the market closes. And I wanted to pull this up, all right? Let's start off with the chart here. So this chart could not look more bullish today. You see right from the beginning, right when the market opened, AMC got a nice little pop, came back and it retested. So I have my 50-day, 100 and 200-day EMAs right now, and I'm on the 2-minute chart, right? And as you can see, every single time it came back, it bounced and it went back up. Right now it's coming back to it, so it's testing it again. So I want to see what happens right here on. But it should be okay. The volume is kind of picking up, 63.9 million volume right now currently. So that's good to see. Let's zoom out a little bit more. Yeah, as you can see, right, just a nice strong chart the whole day. All right, you can see the bullish momentum. You can see the RSI jumped up a bit, came back, cooled off, and then ran again. Now it's coming back to cool off again, right? So let's keep zooming out. And, we're just going along here. So 15-minute RSI, the MACD is pretty high. So we can expect for a little cool off period right here, right? Because of how hot this ran. But we're still up 14.25% currently. And then let's go to the daily. Now, this is what I really, really like. Okay. Look at what happened. Remember I was saying last week, if we came above and broke this, we would see a pretty nice move up. And as you can see, there's the springs, right? It's kind of like the pressure has to be released, right? So it's coming up exactly to this EMA here. All right, so we need to get a break above it, maybe tomorrow or the next day. That would be good to see to this continuation. But look how big the candle is here. And on the MACD too, we're looking good because we're on the daily right now, right? So we got a cross. So if we can continue this, right, we have a lot of room to run. And also, let's not forget GameStop, okay? Let me go over here real quick. So this is the SPY. As you can see, it's coming and testing this line right here. So that also helps, right? It's been 1, 2, 3, 4, about 5 green days for the SPY already. But let's go check out GameStop too, watch. It was running today. So it is this is the daily chart. Let me delete this. This too. All right, this is the daily chart, guys. You can see a big green candle here, all right? And GameStop has now had a few green days ever since it hit that low of 77. It's coming back strong, right? And I kind of had a feeling it's kind of hard to hold GameStop under $100. Has, you know, every time it goes under there, it comes right back up. So look, let's go look at the 2-minute chart. Again, this is GameStop. And again, just a crazy run up as we go along, right? Here, let me see if the EMA is, yep. So same thing, you know, pretty similar to the AMC chart, because every time it came, it bounced and went higher. And right now it's kind of losing this one. So if it loses this one, it's going to come down and test this one, right? Just how it works, right? And I got the 50, the 100, and the 200. All right, let's just go look at the, you know, Twitter on AMC. AMC, right? Just put hashtag, and you can see what the people are saying, right? So an hour ago, trades. Days to cover on AMC at 3. It would take 3 full days based on daily average volume over the last 3 months for shorts to get out of their position. 100 million shares short. That's nearly double the June run up cost to borrow value. Just missing a higher cost to borrow and less shares to borrow. Yeah, so don't forget we've been at 100% utilization now for a while. Here's the current data, right? We have 20.97% estimated SI right now, right? This is the Ortex data. Shares on loan 132 million, and utilization steady at 100%, right? So I think because of the interest rates going up from the Fed and all that, this is helping us because it's making their short positions more expensive, right? In my opinion, guys. And then we're gonna look at this options chain. Jeez, it's loaded right now. It's good, all right? So look at all these calls that got in the money because of the price running up. But as you can see, at $20, we have 11,000 here, right? That's where I've been saying now for a couple weeks, is that, like, I know that today's a good day. I'm excited. It's nice, right? But we're so far from the all-time highs, and then from the, you know, average of like $40, or the $40 range that we were trading at for a while. That this is not, you know, it doesn't compare to that. I know it's not the short squeeze yet, right? Hasn't closed yet because the shorts, in my opinion, haven't really covered, right? This could have been today, you know, a small hedge fund just closing out, getting out. And then we got more at, let's see, here at the $30 range, so 4,000, right? So not a ton, but it's still good because look, I'm gonna go over to the Stonko tracker. Let me refresh it. So 56,000 calls currently in the money. That's awesome. And they're running out of shares again, 150,000, right? 1.2. This rate has been going up slowly, you know, but that's good. Again, it's getting more expensive for the shorts to hold their position. Again, so this is what's really good right now. Let me highlight this. So we got 56,000 calls in the money, and we have 2,900 puts in the money, right? So most of them, as of right now, are out of the money, right? And we still have room here also to get the options chain. And like I'm saying, above $20, that would really push us. But it's incredible. Like I said, like I haven't moved these, right? To me, this is the long-term, you know, resistance, and we're starting to peak above it. Okay, now until we get about halfway, until we cross all these EMAs, that's when I would feel just super confident that this thing is going to start going up, right? But what is interesting is that if you look at this part right here, it's kind of similar to here again, right before the run up. You have this push up. You see how big? I think we're right here where you have this push up. So we're gonna see consolidation, and then guess what? Takes off, right? And there is you know, Rico out there who does amazing TA as well. And if you go watch his videos, Rico Trades, he will point this out and, you know, explain it to you in a very detailed manner if you don't understand charts that much. But this is amazing. This is good to see, guys. Like, we need to break above this line, obviously. Watch. Horizontal. So we need to break above this range right here. Even the top of this would be good. So yeah, above, that'd be around 2064, right? All right. If we get a break above that, guys, it's going to be volatile. All right. And again, right now, 1822, nice price action on AMC. Let's go on and see if we can find anything else here. Ortex data. You know, there's constantly information coming out on Twitter. That's what I love about it. Only OGs remember this moment. Naked shorts, yeah. I think it's safe to say I know who's getting bum of the week. Oh man. What the heck? Buckle up. Look at this. I didn't catch this part. They're saying the fee is like rocketing right now, which would make sense if there's people closing out their short positions. Okay, I already showed you the Ortex data. Cool. Now let's go on and move on and talk about Lucid real quick. It's also having a green day, right? As you can see, very strong momentum here. This is the 2-minute chart. Kind of had some bouncing around, right? The dip before the rip. And I believe this does have to do with news, like because AMC, I don't see any news that would make this, rocket like this today. There isn't any good news or bad news right now on AMC. But as far as Lucid, there is some good news that came out. And I believe that's why you see this spine pressure that came in. And right now it's currently in a flag, all right? If you can see right here, it's pretty much a bull flag. And it's trying to break up. It has, see if it has enough volume. Let me check out the volume level, 24 million. So not quite as much volume today. So I going into close, I would just say it's going to stay in this range, right? We still got like about 45 minutes trading left. So I could just see it coming up, getting rejected, and then ending the day, right? Because the overall market right now is in a green and is in an uptrend right now, right? So I believe it'll just consolidate right here because you already had that buying pressure come in based off the good news. So the good news that I'm talking about is that NVIDIA teams up with Lucid and BYD for now self-driving platform. Right, the graphics chip giant NVIDIA on Tuesday debuted its latest self-driving car technology platform. Drive Hyperion 9, the company, which is hosting its GTC conference from March 21st through March 24th, also announced that the EV makers Lucid and China's BYD will use the NVIDIA's Drive platform. All right, so if you want the details, guys, I'm gonna put the link down in the description for you guys to read. The white always looks freaking awesome. But yeah, they're going to be using NVIDIA chips, right? And to me, that's awesome because NVIDIA is a well-known company, right? They're solid. I know that they sell a lot of products, and so to see that, that's awesome. And also, NVIDIA has been bouncing back. It looks like their stock has been doing all right, because it's grown a lot. And over the past years, okay, this is like a yearly chart, 2016 to 2022 now, right? So yeah, guys, if you want to go over it, there is a lot of details in there, and if you want to check it out, I'll put it down below in the description. But that's all I got for Lucid. Nice to see these green days, but that's just my main message today, guys, is like to make your own decisions, right, when it comes to trading, because any other way, right, is technically illegal, guys. You don't want to get in trouble, right, with the law. So like I always tell you guys, I'm not here to tell you to buy or sell or anything like that. I'm just here to give you the information so that you can learn how to do it on your own, make your own decisions. Okay, so this is something I want to point out that is awesome to see. Okay, so it's just a proposal right now, guys, because it hit the Federal Register, but it's talking about, again, the reporting for the short institutions. And I lost it, so let me go find it. Here we go. Short position and short activity reporting by institutional investment managers. Now, of course, it's freaking long. It's like 500 pages, right? I'm not going to read all that, but it does, again, put more pressure on the shorts, on these hedge funds, knowing that it's going to come a day where they're going to have to change their systems, right? Whatever the way they were playing, the way they were doing things, the way they were trading is not necessarily going to be the same here in the near future, right? Because now they actually have the SEC, voting and tweaking these proposals and putting them back out so that they can eventually get passed, right, and be put into effect. Then we have to notice that they're probably going to be sweating here soon. There's a lot of things that are against the shorts, right? Including the apes. So one more time, guys, I'm just going to wrap this up. Just wanted to give you an update, but this is looking amazing. We have to see what happens tomorrow. Maybe we get FOMO, right? Maybe we get more attention. I'm pretty sure we're going to get some attention with today's moves. Now let me flip this back, guys. I'm pretty sure we are going to get some attention, right? Because GameStop ran absolutely nasty today. I saw 30% at the peak. Right now, AMC's up 15.51%, right? So tell me that's not going to get some attention, right? Because even those people, especially those people that got out at 15, right? They might be like, oh crap, this is happening, right? They're going to jump right back in because it's moving, but it's still, right in that same range. Okay. Until we break above $20, that's where I believe we're gonna see some rips, some nasty rips, you know, something along like that, like 30% days or more, right? Just in my opinion, guys, I'm obviously bullish. I do believe in the squeeze, and that's why I keep holding. And no matter what, right? Like, I'm here to ride these shares out. Okay, like there's no shaking me out right now because it dropped from 40 to 20 or none of that, right? Just what I plan to do is wait until the shorts cover. That's all that matters right now. Yesterday I didn't make a video because there was nothing to talk about really, right? Until today, all right, we got some movement, and just the whole thing looks pretty sus to me, as far as like that Twitter space call that went on where, you know, that rumor started to sell your shares or whatever yesterday. But it's just not a good look right now because it was at 15, right? So now you would have been mad and you would have lost money. So yeah, hang in there, guys. I love you guys. I'll catch you guys later.